evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for coming to our concert. I would like to talk about this historical piano a little bit. This is from early 19th century piano from Vienna. It's very often Viennese piano in this period had many pedals. As you heard many noise or surprising sound, this is one of these effects in this piano pedal. There are 5 pedals on this piano. Middle one is normal pedal, damper pedal, sound sustains, and 2 kinds of pedals which makes sounds softer. One is una corda for keyboard shift, and if I push the pedal, hammer hit the 2 strings instead of 3, so it makes it a little bit softer. Another soft pedal, it's called moderator. A piece of felt comes between hammers and strings that muffled sound. Another called fagot pedal that works only the bass part. This is without. Makes noise because a piece of very thin paper is touching the strings. The right side is the drum and bell. In this small box, there's a bell. The drum is, I think, under the sound port. If I use together with sustain pedal, it's longer and gives also cymbal sound a little bit. When I played like this during the music of Vigueri, the composer by himself wrote in the beginning of music, when it's written coupe de canon, I have to use my elbow and hit these 3 octaves lowest part of the piano to make the canon sounds and sustain as long as possible, which really disappear. So that was what I did.
Van Halen effect.
Yeah. So it's a cluster, and it really works. Probably he's from Paris. In French piano, almost never had this bell drum pedal. So probably he said that that's the way to make noise. But now I'm going to play Willems, Dutch composer, and in this piece, everywhere it's written this text in German. I'm trying to make sometimes canon sound on this drum pedal because that's quite handy to use, but also yes, for the effect.
Cool.
When we looked for the music about Battle of Waterloo, it came out many composers composed the music of about the war description. Like Ruppe composed also Battle of Waterloo, and for example Beethoven also composed Wellington's Sieg, orchestral version, piano version, string quartet version. It's also Napoleonic war, and Willems as well. It seems to be that composers could earn lots of money from this kind of music, better than very serious sonatas. So Beethoven also composed, and he earned lots of money from it. So like Willems of Vigueri, Ruppe, it's not the most well-known composers. Probably they also composed for the money, that I guess.